Hey guys, it's Dr. Brickmaster here, and I have just came out from the Hurricane Sandy. That happened last night, and we do not have school because all of us have power out in New England. So that is our generator running. That's my dog, but that is my generator running. And holy crap, yes, Hurricane Sandy has thrown my trampoline from right there all the way into the woods. And strangely, the thing that we needed to get on to the trampoline is still there, but the trampoline's in the woods. Let's go look at it. This is the trampoline used in Extreme Trampoline. Okay, so all of the springs are ripped off. Crap. Yes, I'm standing on a tree. And look at that. It's broken off. Slowly gonna move up. And it broke off something. Supposedly this right here. Yeah, it looks about right if they connect. And the trampoline is also bent in half. Now that is a holy crap moment. So it broke off here, and if we move down here, this is bent. And up there it's fine, and all of them are ripped off. All of them. So that is the main damage done from Hurricane Sandy. This is Dr. Brickmaster signing out.